For this exercise, you're strengthening your belly and your back muscles. You're gonna start by laying on your stomach, contracting your belly muscles, pulling them in up towards your spine, and then as you raise one arm, your opposite leg is raised. Hold that position for 5 seconds, return them to the floor, alternate sides to do the opposite side, hold for 5 seconds, and continue to alternate until you get 30 repetitions on each side. Make sure that your thumb is facing the ceiling to protect your shoulder.